Strong winds can lift roof caps and causing damage you don't always see right away. Here in Union, New Jersey, we find multiple caps blowing up due to high winds. This leaving your roof exposed and vulnerable to water leak. We're performing a 24/7 emergency inspection, checking the entire roof to identify hailing damage and prevent the biggest issues. Acting fast is critical. We're replacing damaged caps and properly security the roof to protect the home. A professional inspection can be different between simple repair and costly damage. If your roof was affected by wind damage, call us today. One call 24/7 Roofing Restoration 973-573-6191.